Here are the solutions to your LT3 assignment. Don't forget your name for number 1. Can't give you credit if I don't know your name. On question number 2, no, just because they're hungry doesn't mean the pie was in small pieces. Just means they might have big stomachs, or maybe they were hungry, really hungry before. On number 2, there isn't enough information to say Davis will have a taco salad. He might have a taco salad, he might not have a taco salad, but when it comes to deductive reasoning, it has to be a must. It's got to be true. I don't know for sure he's going to have a taco salad, so I can't make that conclusion. Number 4 is the only one that follows the conditional. Yes, if they're hungry, they're going to go to Qdoba, and Sam's going to order a burrito bowl. And number 5, no, they don't have to get a stomach ache, but if they had pie and then went to Qdoba, I won't be surprised if they did. On question number 6, if we try to apply our rule, notice it works for the first one. So if I take 3 times 1 minus 1, I get 2. If I do the second one, I go 3 times 2 minus 1, which would be 6 minus 1, which is 5. It looks like it's working so far. But then if I go to the third one, I'll go 3 times 3 minus 1. I get 9 minus 1, which is 8. We got a problem, because notice there are 10 squares in figure 3. So that is not true. Now let's make up our own rule. Now, a couple of things I notice here. Notice if I look at figure 1, I've got 1 squared and an extra 1. On figure 2, I've got 4 squares and an extra 1. On figure 3, I've got 9 squares and an extra 1. On figure 4, I've got 16 squares and an extra 1. So that kind of makes me think it's n squared plus 1. That is, I'm going to take the figure times itself. That would give me how many squares we have. And we're going to add 1 more to that. Now, there's multiple correct answers on this. You could have done it in a different way, but this is one way I like to do. I see it. As long as you get the answer, you probably did it correctly.